لِلرِّجَالِ نَصِيبٌ. For men, especially, even for men, there's going to be a portion. مِمَّا تَرَكَ الْوَالِدَانِ. From what both parents left behind. وَالْأَقْرَبُونَ. And what the closest relatives left behind. وَلِلنِّسَاءِ. This is revolution in Arab world. This is a revolution in the Arab world when these ayat came down. وَلِلنِّسَاءِ. And even for women, نَصِيبٌ. There's going to be a portion. مِمَّا تَرَكَ الْوَالِدَانِ وَالْأَقْرَبُونَ. From what parents and close relatives left behind. You know why this was a revolution? Women themselves were considered property. In much of Arabia, not all of it, but in much of Arabia, they themselves were considered property. I told you before, they used to, when the father would die, the son in some cases would actually inherit the other wives of the father. It was a disgusting practice called maqt. Maqtan wa sa'a sabila. Okay? وَلَا تَنْكِحُوا مَا نَكَحَ أَبَاؤُكُم مِّنَ النِّسَاءِ. You know? And then Allah says, إِنَّهُ كَانَ مَقْتًا فَاحِشَةً وَمَقْتًا وَسَاءَ سَبِيلًا. Anyhow, so now women have a set right in inheritance. They have a right to property ownership. They have these kinds of civil rights. These civil rights came to the West early on or later? They came way later. This was completely revolutionary for its time. What's funny is now you turn around and say Islam is unfair to women. Islam was fair to women at a time when where people would have complained Islam gives too much to women. It's all a matter of what age you live in. If somebody, the kuffar, heard these ayat and their complaint against Islam was, why is it favoring women so much? You turn the clock a little and now you come to the point and people complain, why doesn't Islam give women anything? وَلِلنِّسَاءِ نَصِيبٌ مِمَّا تَرَكَ الْوَالِدَانِ وَالْأَقْرَبُونَ. Women also have a portion, a good portion. Nasib is something you find with a marking on it. So it's set for you. It's a set portion of what both parents and close relatives left behind. مِمَّا قَلَّ مِنْهُ أَوْ كَثُرٍ. From what may be little out of it or maybe a lot. نَصِيبًا مَفْرُوضًا. It is a portion that has been mandated.